Hello everyone, this is Sunny from Leapion. Welcome to visit our engraving show. And our company is a very professional manufacturer of leather machine in China since 2007. And we are specialized in fiber laser and steel laser machine. Our company integrates research, development, production, sales, and after service. We are specialized in fiber laser and steel laser machine. Please follow me, let me show our solution video. First of all, you will see the big display for our show, for our pattern and our method and our solution. Here is how to show all our certificates we have, and all our machine can meet all the demands and standards from international. All the machines we produce are verified machines and FCE and ISO and FDA. Please show the details. Yes, and this is for the fiber laser cutting sheet and tube machines. And for the fiber tube machines, and also have many certificates. And the feedbacks we got from our customers are very good. And next, we will show our many parts used for our machines. All the parts used in our machines are original and complete. All the parts on the table. That's it. This is a very popular Chinese brand, Max Laser Sauce. We are VIP supplier of Max Laser Sauce. We provide a 3 years warranty. 3 years warranty for Max Laser Sauce. And this one, yeah, this one is a speed reducer of motor brand from Italy. And this part is a cylinder electric components from France. And this is a Heaven Wheels from Taiwan. Yes, this one is Yaskawa, the motors from Japan. And this one also Yaskawa, yes. And this is our standard configurations for the motors, Fuji the motors from Japan. And these all the Yaskawa drivers. And those are Rito's. This is Rito's leader head, and some parts nozzles. Yes, nozzles. And this is the wireless controller for the fiber laser cutting. And this is zip cut control system. And also have this show the many parts of the laser machine. Max Laser Sauce, Heaven Wheels, and aluminum gantry. And also use the Heaven VVC, Heaven Wheels, and VVC gears from Taiwan. And the machine all use the industrial bed, and also have the cast iron bed. And here are some very useful cutting samples. This is the stainless steels for Chinese. This is Chinese dragon, and some animals, very cute elephant stainless steels. And this is the brass materials. The airplane, and also the butterfly. Yes, very beautiful. And as you can see from here also have some tables and chairs. Those are used for our customers rest sitting, and also talk with our customers about the tools. And here also have some big-sized cutting samples. And this is a 40 millimeters carbon steels. Yes. And the border interface. And this Chinese dragon, also the carbon steels. And this is a 35 millimeters of carbon steels. And the tower. And 30 millimeters carbon steels. And for our tube, laser tube machine also not only cutting the round tube and the square tube, also can cut some special tube. This one. And special tube. Also some samples. A brass. This is brass. Also, it's carbon steel. And this is a big piece of carbon steel. Those big size cutting samples and with the computer interface. Those show our engineer skilled technology and the high cut our machine high cutting accuracy. Leapion machinery is repeatedly a great company. As we can see from this map, we have already sold to most of countries and regions in the world. Our engineers all have more than 5 years working experience for laser machine, and they went to the most of countries and most of countries in all of the world to installing and training for the machines. This is Brazil, yes, and Egypt, Spanish, Slovenia, Thailand, and this is our exhibition in Vietnam and Korea. Yes, and we are also exploring the markets in the different countries. If you are interested to cooperate with us, welcome to leave your contact information. We will provide the good service, best quality, and short delivery of the machine. And later, we will show you our machine details. And those are for power machines with auto feeding systems. Our auto feeding systems, the fiber laser tube machines. This is 1 kilowatt. Okay, the next time our colleague will introduce our machine our e-model standard 5 e-model standard. Okay, welcome. Hello, this is Nikki. Now I will show you Leapion E-series fiber laser production. So follow me. This is 6 kilowatts high series fiber laser production. But I will show you its Leapion hot seal E-series fiber laser production. Follow me. Java servo motor, but our standard configuration is Fuji servo motor. You can see this is Yaskawa. When customer want to improve the machine configuration, we'll use Yaskawa. And this machine now is no electric. I will show you another machine with electric, and it can cut it now. And 1 kilowatt. Aluminum ring. This is 0.1 millimeter stainless steel. This is the C1 control system. It's a standard configuration for each series fiber laser cutting machine. 或者更给了 high speed. This is speed. This is the speed. Okay, finish cutting. .8 millimeter stainless steel carbon. It's hot, but the cutting effect is very good. Okay, thank you, our technician. Let me show you the control cabinet. Yaskawa servo driver. Schneider electric part. Industry computer. Our standard configuration is a Schneider electric part. It's famous electric part from France. Okay, let me show you the. Follow me. This is Nikon's leader head BM109 autofocus leader head. It can adjust the focus by computer. It's easy to use for no experienced customer. This is 1 kilowatt fiber laser source. This is one whole machine. It can use very small air. 1 kilowatt. And here always put air condition for hot air, such as Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia, some very hot country. This is water chiller. This is water chiller for testing. Our standard water chiller is SMA. Okay, let me say some other details of the Elisa's fiber laser cutting machine. Let's see. First, see this technique. Even now, it's very late in China now, about 8 o'clock. But our technicians still work hard for the customer's machine. When we have order, we will produce the machine at our house. This is a big factory and a big company. We only produce time is 20 to 25 days after we receive the deposit, and around the 3 days, then we can send the customer testing video. This is the machine training. When the machine, Leapion machine only training about 48 hours. After training, we will check the machine. Any part is not suitable, and reset it. Let the machine suitable. Let me show you that. Here, YYC gear, YYC rack, Taiwan gear. This leader head is menu focus. BT240S. This whole machine is very suitable for the customer for the advertisement industry. You can see this is the new design screen. Sequence control system, and this is the training speed. Very easy to control this control cabinet. No worry if you have experience using experience or not having experience using experience. Our technician will provide 24 hours online guide for you. So our technician will teach you how to use the machine, how to use the control cabinet. It's a very professional service. This is the machine bag for this series. It's tube welding, but it's stable enough for 1 kilowatt and 1.5 kilowatts. This machine bag holds about 2.8 pounds. It's enough. It's enough for such small power machine. It's also fun too. And it's stable only for training for fun. Let me show you the whole machine, and let me find another product to show you the other machine. The PE series fiber laser cutting machine. It's only hot, very hot still. It's only for some Europe countries. It's very very important the environment. Okay, let me give the easy time. Welcome, Daisy. Daisy, welcome to the Fibra factory. Today I will introduce our key series for cutting machine. Okay, it's specialized for metal material cutting, such as the stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, and so on. Protective. There will be a protective seal around the machine. This is very popular in European and American markets because it has strict environment protective environment. Okay, now let's have a protective power tool and the extension table. You have to start from the operating script. We use the Chinese systems, control system, which supports many file formats like PLC, DXF, and so on. So also supports the nesting system. From the spread, we can see all the parameters of the cutting process, such as the speed, power, and the height of the laser head. Also, drawing. Sometimes there may be some error during the cutting speed, because it will also be displaying here, and it could help us solve it quickly. Okay, then very important parts of the machine, fiber laser head, is three-tooth laser head. As we all know, there are two kinds of fiber laser heads, automatic and manually. This one is manually, which means we must adjust the focal length for each cutting. And it's hard to see the focal length for different material. But with the autofocus fiber laser head, it can adjust the focal length automatically and save it for the next cutting. It will help us save time and improve our cutting efficiency. Besides the one important function of auto-focus laser head is that it has the auto-following function, which means it can detect the position of the material below the laser head and also detect the floating of the material to protect the laser head to crash on the material. Okay, next we could see that the laser head is installed on the feed, that's the black. We also call it branch. So it will influence the speed of the laser head. We use the aluminum to make it, because the light of aluminum is the base of the aluminum is very light, so it could move quickly and guarantee the cutting speed. Okay, between the protecting power, we can see there is a camera in there and the lights on both sides. And the camera, the image of the camera will
displayed on the control panel. So even when the door is closed, we can also check what happened within the machine. Okay, next the bed of our machine. It's a whole casting machine bed. We also have as we all know there is also a welding bed, welding from tube or from sheet. Compared with the welding bed, whole casting bed is one piece, which means it will be more stronger than welding bed, and the bearing capacity is much better than welding bed. It will not deform after using for 10 years. And then this is the independent control cabinet. All the electrical parts are inside it. This is the driver, the later electrical components, and the laser source is also put in here. A very important part of the machine. So it takes air conditioner fluid for cooling for the components within it. Okay, this one is a 1 kilowatt water chiller using for cooling for the laser head and the laser source. Okay, let's our technician show the shot. And then we can see all the parameters in the the cutting has finished. Let's check it. Very nice, smooth cutting surface. Perfect curve. Okay, so if you have any materials or drawing that need to cut, you can send your drawing by email to us directly, and we will make a simple for you. And before the machine delivery, our technicians also will debug the machine to ensure that every machine can reach normally, guarantee that every machine received by our customer is perfect. So if you are interested in our machine, welcome to contact us directly. Now my introduction is finished. Next, welcome to my colleague, Elisa. She will continue to introduce my Spanish. Welcome, Elisa.
Hola a todos, soy Elisa y muchas gracias a Vivi sobre la muestra en vivo en inglés. Y ahora vamos a ver nuestra fábrica. Ahora estamos en nuestra sala de exposición. La siguiente vamos a ver totalmente nuestra fábrica tiene 3 zonas. Vamos a ver esta máquina. Esta máquina es
con el área de trabajo 6 metros por 2 metros y con el calidad de corte retus y enfoque automático. Y la potencia de esta máquina es con 4 kilovatios. Aquí está el gabinete de control. Y con los motores de servo es una máquina de jabón. Y las piezas eléctricas de Schneider es la Francia marca. Y este es el tanque de hidrógeno. Y aquí es el multimodo de Max Wende. Y el enfriador de agua. Este máquina con el color rojo y es con la longitud de 6 metros y el ancho es 1,5 metros. Y aquí está nuestro puesto de hierro. Y desde aquí puede ver nuestra máquina en papel. Esta máquina se va a enviar al cliente mañana. Nuestro ingeniero está en papel. Y este también es el cuerpo para la máquina de corte por fibra tubo metálico. Y esta es nuestra máquina con el área de trabajo 4 metros por 2 metros. Y esta máquina también está lista de enviar a nuestros clientes europeos. Este es el Ritus cabezal con el enfoque automático. Y la potencia de esta máquina es con 4 kilovatios. Es el fuente de enfriador de S&A. Estos dos cuerpos también para la máquina de tubo metálico. Y esta máquina es para cortar la capa metálico y tubo metálico. Y también para nuestra máquina de corte por fibra con mesa de intercambio y esta máquina también se puede cortar tubo metálico. Esta máquina también esta máquina también está lista de enviar. Y vamos a ver nuestro segunda zona de nuestra fábrica. Esta máquina es el modelo de 6 metros por 1,5 metros. Es muy popular en todo el mundo. Y esta máquina con potencia de 2 kilovatios y
cabezal con enfoque automático y fuente de Max y este es el gabinete que compró. Esta máquina se usa el motor el motor de servo de Yaskawa, es de Japón. Estas tres máquinas están listas de enviar. Este es el más pequeño, con el modelo con el área de trabajo 1300 por 2500. Esta zona, fabricamos las máquinas bases con dos clases de corte con el modelo económico. Este es el cuerpo de nuestras máquinas de corte económico. Y esta máquina es muy grande. La área de trabajo 14 metros y la longitud es 14 metros. Es muy largo. También con la cubierta y mesa de intercambio. Esta máquina también es muy grande y muy grande. Esta máquina este cuerpo es para la potencia de 12 kilovatios. Y esta máquina y desde aquí puede ver el guía cuadrado y guía lineal. Este son la marca de Taiwan y el ancho es de 35. Es el motor de Fuji con la potencia de 4,4 kilovatios. Esta máquina se equipa con la cabeza de Plessy. Y vamos a ver sus padres. Utiliza al fuente de Max con la potencia de 12 kilovatios. Es muy alta potencia. Y también el enfriador de agua es muy grande. La marca S&A con el modelo de 12.000. Y la tercera zona de nuestra fábrica es para nuestra máquina láser CO2. Vamos a ver. Aquí ahora estamos en nuestra fábrica de láser CO2. Esta máquina es con el modelo de 1300 por 2300. Esta máquina se personaliza para nuestro cliente. Y esta máquina también está lista de enviar. Estos máquinas con color verde son también se personaliza para nuestro cliente. Y este es nuestro nuevo modelo de nuestra máquina 1300 desde aquí son nuestro nuevo diseño de nuestra máquina láser. Se, se, es- es- 600 por 1000 por 1000. Y es el gabinete de control con Leapion, el sistema de control, controlador de Elisa y motores de paso a paso. Esta máquina que se equipa con el tubo de Resi y la potencia es 100 vatios. Esta es nuestro modelo estándar 1300 por 900. Desde aquí vamos a ver la máquina de hacer con dos cabezas. Está fabricando para nuestro cliente de Asia. Y estas cajas de máquina son del modelo 1600 y 1610. Y otras máquinas con el color de verde y naranja y azul también son nuestro modelo anterior. Tenemos muchas cajas de máquinas láser ciertos, así podemos alargar el tiempo de entrega. Y ahora estas son las cajas para la soldadora láser con fibra. Y también muchas cajas. Y es que tenemos muchos pedidos. Es todo para hoy. Y muchas gracias por visitar nuestra muestra en vivo. Y si tiene alguna pregunta sobre la máquina, bienvenido a contactarnos. Hasta luego. Hasta luego, nuestros clientes.